In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to open up your Subaru Outback key fob and change the battery yourself at home. It's very easy to do. All you will need is one of these CR2032 batteries. If you'd like to pick one of those up online, I will leave a link down in the description to get it on Amazon for just a couple of bucks. And the only other thing you will need is a Phillips head screwdriver that can remove these small screws. I'll be using a precision screwdriver. You might have something lying around the house that fits this. If you do not, I would recommend just picking up a little pack of these precision screwdrivers. You have multiple sizes of flat and Phillips head here, and it's just a couple of bucks on Amazon. So if you are interested, that will also be down in the description. And the first step here is actually just to remove these little screws. So let's go ahead and get started there. Just going to turn out these screws, carefully set them aside and do not lose them. And from here, it is pretty simple. We're just going to open this thing up, set the back down for now, and we can just slide the battery out with our thumb. Pretty easy to do. Take out your old battery, get rid of it, get a new 2032 battery, and when you're putting it back in, make sure this positive side that has that text and that information goes face up. You're just gonna push it in, set the back in place, and now we're just gonna, of course, put these screws back in. Okay, once we get these in here, we're just going to turn them in, not too tight. I like to just do kind of a finger tightness, just like that, as to not strip or lock the screws. Just turn them in there. And once it's all good and together, you can check to see if it's working by pressing the button, and that little light should come on, meaning your battery has some juice in it and you did everything correctly. It's not upside down or anything. So just check that that light turns on, and then you are all set and ready to go. So I hope that video helped you out, and if it did, feel free to let me know down in the comment section or just by giving this video a like. And if you ever need help changing another battery in any of your key fobs for any make or model, check out the rest of our videos here on YouTube or visit us at fobbattery.com.